This is LeetCode question number 1213, intersection of three solid array. This is easy question. Let's get into it. Given three integer arrays, array 1, array 2, and array 3, sorted in strictly increasing order. Return also the array of only the integer that appeared in all three arrays. Okay, let's check the example 1. In this case, 1, 2, 3. There is 1 is 3, 2 is only 2, 3 is only 2, 4 is only 2, 5 is 1, 2, 3, 6 is 1, 9 is 8 is 1. So output is 1, 5. How we can approach it? Do you have any idea? Yes, that's right. We can use frequency of each numbers. First, we can scan all of array at once and then calculate the sequence of array. If frequency is 3, that means each array has that item. So 3 array, if each array has 1, 1, 1, total is 3. So we just get the number frequency is 3. At that time complexity is linear and space complexity is linear. There are better approach. In this time, I will show you two approach. One is this approach, another is better way, more optimal. That is constant space with linear time. Okay. As I mentioned, I will use map. I will use collection default disk and initialize with the 0. 0 is integer, and then if we item is not in map, if we add something, it automatically attach the 0. So we can be able to use very easily without any additional action. Okay, for num in array 1, map num plus 1. At this time, there are no nums in map. First time there are no map in map, but if we access this key, collection default tick generates default value 0. So now it put in the 1. I will use another array 2, 3. And after finish it, I will iteration key and value in map. Unfortunately, map does not have any iterator, so we need to use items method because item method has its iterator. So if value is 3, I will append key. And I will return the output. Let's check. Okay, looks good. In this time complexity is linear. Linear. So linear time width, we use map linear space. Okay, let's make it better. How we can make it the constant? That means that we gonna not use map. At the time, there are maybe only one way, that is using pointer. In this case, we need the 3 pointer, and then first, each pointer indicate first item of each arrays, and then check the value. If 3 value is same, and then append to output, and then move to next one. Move to next one, move to next one. This one is the same, but this one is not same. Bigger than, then we will increase only these two. This one is same, but this one is bigger, so increase these two. This one still smaller, and then increase these two. Now it 3 is the same, so put the value here and then increase, and then there are no more items, and then we exit, because we do not check this one with this one, because this one is already finished. That means even the two items is same, that is no meaning. We need to all three array. Did it make sense? Okay, let's implement it. Sorry. 1 is 0, 2. Okay, let's make pointer 1 to 3. 2 is 7 with 0 index, 3. Initialize 0 index, and then now while 1 is below length array 1 and 2 is below length array 2 and 3 is below length array 3. That time if array 1's 1 and array 2's 2 and array 3 is same, I will append output to array 1.1 because the same value, 3 value is same, and then increase 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, and 3 plus 1 for next iteration. And then else if array 2 is smaller than array 1, then time I will increase 2 only. As if array 3 smaller than array 1, also increase 1. Else means there are one case left. 1 is increased. Does it make sense? Return alpha. Okay. Let's check the code. Okay. Next typo. Okay, looks good. Okay, great. Now memory size is 100 because we do not use any extra memory. So now time complexity is linear and constant space. Thank you.